Before you begin installation, have your utilities provider mark the existing structures. Then lay out the adapter plate, hardware, electrical components, and the pedestal needed for the project. Now you are ready to prep and excavate the site. Mark the location for the base and optional bollards. Excavate the area using equipment, and you can hand dig the detailed corners and edges. Measure to be sure the hole is the correct depth for the base. Fill and compact the bottom with crushed stone for a smooth, hard surface for the EVBlock and optional bollard bases. Now it's time to place the block and install the conduit. Lift and lower the base into the excavated space. The EVBlock can be lifted using a double basket method with properly rated nylon straps. Make sure everything is level before installing the conduit. Then install the conduit and electrical wiring as required. Install the optional bollard bases if applicable. Plug the holes and backfill around the base or bases. Be sure that all are properly compacted during the backfill process. Then you are ready to mount the pedestal to the adapter plate. Use a marker to transfer the pedestal bolt locations to the adapter plate. Then drill holes in these marked locations. Be sure to bore a hole big enough for your cables to enter the charger. Secure the EV charger pedestal to the adapter plate using stainless steel bolts, nuts, and washers. Place the adapter plate and pedestal back onto the EVBlock unit. Finally, secure the adapter plate using the supplied bolts and washers. Now you can complete the required wiring for the charger. Be sure to refer to the manufacturer's instructions for any requirements. And if bollards are involved in the project, mount them directly to their respective bases. And you are done! EVBlocks is the simplest, smartest system for your charger installations.